Okay, I know that its potential is 15, so I would need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is its ID. I'm quickly double click, Control V. Okay. Squad. Look at this. I have Oldgar. Good day, my fellow hackers. Today I'm gonna be using Cheat Engine on Coromon, and today I'm gonna be actually showing you what's all the build up about in the Coromon. So finally, first of all, I must advise you, and please do this advice, because if you ruin your save, there's no going back, there's no recovery, unless you auto-saved somehow before you actually saved, and the save file is located in app data. So I mean, you can Windows R, and in this run shell type with a percent app data percent is shift 5, and in here I need to go maybe back local low. It's not Team Cherry, no, not local low. Roaming, is it not roaming? Tragsoft.gg, not GG. There won't be GOG. Find your save file. It's probably here. Tragsoft. And now I'm in Coromon documents. It's not roaming. Okay, local. Let's search here. There we go. It's in local. Yes, there are 2 files. And system, and here we go. This file, this Coromon preferences only, not this one. This one is your save file. So control copy, control V, a quick backup is made. You can close this and this is my save file, and I can actually begin. So yeah, let's turn this on. This one's good enough. Let's wing it. Okay. So, let's turn on the cheat engine. Let's connect this to the game. So, first of all, from 4 bytes, change it into a double. We're gonna be capturing HP of the monomons. Okay, so first of all, I would like to capture one of my Coromon. For example, Swarmy. So, okay, let's go to summary. And now, no, I don't need summary. Okay, so anyways, his SP is 23. The special points or whatever it is, stamina points. Okay, so 23 is the first scan. I'm gonna try and capture his stamina or whatever this SP is. First scan. Okay, let me exit out. Let me give him something to boost his SP. In Coromon you can actually go above. There we go. Now it's 28. Okay, and I would not be able to give it more. Okay, so I caught the Swarmy. If I were to right click and go browse this memory region, in memory regions you can actually do a lot. For example, I caught his SP. I can actually, to make this less of a blur, right click, display type, double. There we go. This is the 28 that we have. So there's a 20 and there's another 20, and now if I were to look at my Swarmy summary, so this will be everything, like almost everything about Coromon, like their stats, their XP levels, their potential. You can change your potential, it's very easy, and their IDs, for example, to be able to capture any Coromon you see, including bosses and other unique Coromon that you probably couldn't before. Okay, Swarmy level 6, 20. One of those 20s probably is the HP. Now if I were to try and decrease this one, ooh, wait, no, it says 0 but it's not 0. And double click this value. This is not HP. HP is clean 20, like this one. I can change it into, I don't know, 10. Let's see if it's the correct thing. Yes. Yes, it is. It's now 10. So this is HP. This is SP. Let's scroll up. This is XP. Yes. I can do this. And now if I were to look at my Swarmy, it's 27. Level is 27. As you can see, it has its points. His potential points, you cannot, I believe you can't capture them separately. They're very hard coded to the level and potential. So yeah. Okay, this is XP. This 27, I don't know. Doesn't seem like anything. The 15, this is the 15, and I can change it. The max is, I don't know, 21, I believe. You can do like, yeah, 21, I believe, yeah. 21, okay. Let's see. Is it perfect? Well, it's spooky right now. Hold on, no, wait. Summary. Is it perfect? Yes, it's perfect. Okay, why the weird colors? Oh, golden and green. Caterpillar. Ah, okay. I caught its potential. What's next? What else? What else? Okay. I believe that is all that I currently have visibly. So this is okay. So I caught its potential. SP, HP. Trait is somewhere. I won't look for it. The trait I believe is something with the random numbers. Don't clone every single value, like, because some of these values can crash your game, crash your save file. So change only those values that you know. So for example, from SP, this is SP, okay? So let's table extras, let's write this down. Okay, this is a SP. So from SP, I would need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 until I reach, I don't know, HP. I'm gonna write it like this. Speed and reach HP. I can actually maybe like this. Maybe more understandable. Maybe, I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another 8. Good. So I don't know, I can write 8 again. 8 until the XP. Now let's make this nice. You can of course write in the notepad. I just used the Cheat Engine's notepad. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, 22. And I don't recall. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is the SP. So I'm gonna show you one other thing that I'm really proud about. So let me scroll up. Let's see. So I remember like each spot by these bytes. Of course I write like how many steps you need to go up, but I remember by these bytes, like how many bytes I got by. So let's see. Yeah, 60 somewhat, and now I know that it's 70. Oh, I don't recall this one thing. I know that you won't see anything because the value is not double. The value is just byte x. Oh, I don't recall this one. This is probably it. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's it. That's the potential. Potent. Good. And 5 away should be ID. Let me expand this a bit. Should be ID. This is, I think that this is ID. Okay, I found it. So yeah, Coromon should be in 7, 6, 8. And the potential and skin. I don't know about any skins, but I did find potential 26. Okay, so let's see how correct this data is. So let's go back to browse this. Okay. Okay, let's rise from SP to the, let's see, this is 7 8, so one down, there we go, 7 5 2. So this one, I mean, okay, copy. Okay, now to test this out I would need to, so wait, it was 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 8, I guess 8 is ID, I guess. Let's test it out actually. I would need another Coromon. Okay, another Coromon it is. So the same Swarmy would not be good. I need... Huh? I changed something by accident? Now, the game should not break right now. It just... yeah, it just got weird. It just crashed when I looked for the info. In actuality, let's actually catch something else. The fuse box, for example. I mean, screw it. The fuse box. New scan. Fuse box is SP is 21. Let's give it the candy. Now it's 26. You gotta be joking. Don't worry, it's not difficult to find which one it is. So it's probably this one. But right click, browse this memory region, then scroll up, and if you can see it's HP, like for example 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yes, this should be the HP, because if I were to look at this one, browse this memory region, as you can see there's nothing. So yeah, it's this one, and this one can go. Okay, fuse bug. Let's try. Okay, let's go. I mean, you can count using that method. I just remembered that it's 7 and this. Okay, it should be okay. Okay. Paste. Okay. Damn it! Yes! I did it! Oh my god. No, it's... Okay, look. It's not the first time I'm doing this, okay? Okay? Now looky here. Okay? It was the top one. Okay, this is the potential. Right? Okay, let's go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It is 8. What did I mess up? I don't know. But it is 8. Okay, so from the potential, I should have changed someone. Which one? Of course, their attacks are still, you know, wonky. Oh, this one 15. Okay, so there is this one. So this was Swarmy, right? Swarmy's attacks still stay, so you would need to change its attacks by using the attack method. You know, the stuff, and I believe you would have it in advanced options for yourself. I don't, because this is a new project I started with Cheat Engine. So if you were to have attack type instruction catcher, you know, you would catch its attacks, and you would you know, catch attacks of the whatever you changed and change them into the correct attacks, you know, for example, all into the whatever attacks you have. But yeah, I mean, okay, this is how I got the fuse box again. So I got a fuse box. Okay, so I came here basically to fight the boss, and now I'm gonna show you how to catch a boss, for example. So I'm gonna catch boss's HP, and yes, once you catch the HP you can kill him, or if you catch his SP you could make him tired and he won't do attacks and stuff. The boss battle begins, and now using this, simple this, like 0 speed, yada yada, this is a map. Just, you know, a map. This is a map. Like, for example, I can even write this 8 to make more sense. Now, for example, I'm gonna catch his HP. I'm gonna show you how to use this map if you still don't understand. I have mine. Okay, I'm gonna catch him. 415. It's in doubles. First scan. Okay. Punch him. Okay. 404. Next scan. Okay, I almost got him. I can actually maybe just browse my region and see which one it is. It's not this one, so it's this one. I can remove this one. Yes, it should be this one. Let me check. Yes it is. Okay. So when using this type of map or logic, call it whatever you want, this is HP. So I would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It should be SP as shown in this map. So this is SP. Okay. I mean, you could even, I don't know, remove this. It doesn't really need it. It's more of a, it shows how many steps you need to make to go from this into this into this into this into this. You know, it's sort of. So from HP I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the XP. So I could change its level. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, hold on. I can actually show you. 0. Punch him. Oh, my charge. No effect. All got tired. Use surge punch, but it's too tired. There we go. So I can 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is XP. And I can actually go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. There we go. It's potential. This is Voltgar's potential. Now, fuse box can have different potentials to become golden and stuff, but Voltgar cannot. Other titans cannot do. I checked the code, and if I were to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is his ID. I know it does not show anything. I can double click, and this is the code. I'm gonna copy, and if I were to go, for example, my bug, right? If I show the squad 2 fuse boxes, this was a bug, you know, the swarmy. I'm gonna go here. I can do real quickly with that one. For example, I can find it. No, I can't. I'm scared. Okay, I know that its potential is 15, so I would need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is its ID. I'm quickly double click, Control V. Okay. Squad. Look at this. I have Voltgar. Let me check summary. Oh my goodness, it's a Voltgar. HP is the Swarmies. I believe that if I were to save and quit, his HP would catch up with the ID. I would not need to change his attacks because it would get like 6 automatically. It would add him. So I would not need to use that. Electric, the other stuff, yeah. Legendary. And yet you cannot capture him. Sad. Database number 0. Cool, I must say. Okay, so we have Voltgar. Another thing that I'm probably gonna show you is that if I were to send him out, or any fuse box, come here, fuse box, this pops up. And now this, you know, this is the error, and it cries about like, oh wow, I cannot use the sprites, I cannot use there's nothing in the code. There's nothing in the code. I cannot really do that. I mean, I don't know. This is like error, and it's yeah. It shows how game is narrow in its code. It's not open that much. So yeah, and to change this, it's not enough to add sprites. I mean, I added them. It's not enough. Just think of this. There's never a titan that, you know, looks from a different perspective. So yeah, that's why there's nothing coded in. There's not coded in. There's no shadow. There's no shadow. There is shadow. It's not coded in, it's not, you know, it's not done, and the game just confused, doesn't know what to do, there's no defaults, and the game just crashes. You would need to go into the code and just reprogram, so it would use some different sprites and stuff, but you need to reprogram, and I'm not about to do that. So yeah, this is how you change your Coromon's potential, HP, SP, XP, and ID. And that's how you can capture Titans, fuse boxes, and whichever Coromon you want. So yeah, that is all. Thanks for watching.